We're over here at Heather Lakeside Estates Mobile Home Park in Hemet, California. Space 91. This is a beautiful Harmony Series 24 by 56. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This home is unlike any other home we've toured before. We've never toured this floor plan, and I have not seen this floor plan on the internet today. This home includes many options. We're starting with the front half-built, factory-built front porch, 6 feet wide. We have beautiful shutters on the porch, nice trim. And over here, we added this accent. We have some trim around the windows. We have beautiful trim around the windows. This gray accent color, large. Check out how large this window is. These windows are larger than your standard windows that you see in manufactured homes here in California. These are beautiful dual pane vinyl low E windows, very energy efficient. You're gonna see this home is perfect for those of you who love technology. We have Ring cameras, Ring thermostats. This home really has all the bells and whistles. I love this soft light gray, white trim, and then we have this darker gray here with the accent color. This home is beautiful. They even did something a little bit different. We have this eyebrow right here and the trim or the columns coming down, but take a look at the top. We have that the trim over there. It just adds a little bit of character to the exterior. I really like it. Tell us what you think in the comment section below about this curb appeal. Rate the curb appeal of this home from 1 to 10. 1 being your least favorite, 10 being knocked it out of the park. I know that we still need to do the landscaping, but just the exterior of the home. So this home, again, has so many bells and whistles. You've never seen these options. I'm going to give you a little bit of information on the interior in a minute, but take a look at this side, all these beautiful shutters. This is like a green gray, beautiful color, very popular today. You have a lot of different options when you're ordering a brand new manufactured home, but we're selling this home in place in this 55 plus manufactured housing community that is easily a 4-star community, very clean, well maintained, and we're very central. We're close to Florida Avenue, where you have doctor's office, shopping, restaurants, banks. There's everything you need. And like we said before, there's so much to do here in Hemet, from golfing, fishing, hiking, close to the mountains. You could go to Orange County, San Diego, Los Angeles. This is very centrally located. Palm Springs. Hemet is becoming a more desirable place to live. It's bringing a lot of brand new manufactured homes in. But let's go take a look and see the beautiful interior of this manufactured home. This truly is one of my favorites. So now that let's here a minute. Take a look. You have this half factory built front porch. You have these beautiful views of the mountains right now. You even have a little bit of snow on top. But check out this view. Now, I'm sorry, we got to get some cleaning there, but just check this out. It's so peaceful, quiet. When we asked residents why they chose to live here in Heather Estates, they said, take a look at this beauty. Take a look at the surrounding area. It's very nice, quiet, beautiful. You could sit on your porch, stare at the beautiful scenery, the mountains, and it's just always quiet 12 months of the year. This is a great place to retire and relax. Grandkids love coming here and visiting. They love to go to the pool. They love to hang out by the pond. This is a home you could purchase for around $220,000. Brand new manufactured homes sold in place. Rents here are very reasonable. But let's go take a look inside. Check this out. Look at these large windows. I'm going to open this up here. let a little more natural sunlight in here. Check it out. There's not even a cloud in the sky today, Si. But check out this home. 9-foot flat ceilings, large windows allowing a lot of natural light. Nice window trim. It's simple, very modern. Or farmhousey. What do you think? What would you describe this? More modern, farmhouse, in between, farmhouse? And check this out. This is what I'm talking about. We've never seen this in a manufactured home. I like it. The kitchen opens up to this living area where we're standing right now. And even this dining area, well, over here, you get a little bit of privacy, right? But it's not completely closed off. You don't feel too secluded. You can have conversations. If I'm standing in this room and somebody's standing eating in the dining room, then we could still have a conversation. And check it out. Look, you don't feel like you're trapped in here, claustrophobic. This is a nice area. You can easily fit a dinner table of 6 to 8 people here. No problem. Would you say it's easy to fit 6 to 8 people in this
Absolutely.
Dining area?
There's a lot of privacy too.
Yeah, so you get that privacy, yet it's still open. So this is a very nice floor plan. Again, it's something different. We've never toured a floor plan or a home like this. I love the two-tone, the cabinets right here. We have the olive green, and then over here is more of like an oak. And check this out. I mean, you have the breakfast bar. You can fit 3 bar stools right there. You have quartz countertops. And over here, you have this really nice, these are high quality laminate countertops. They even have texture. This nice tile white full backsplash going all the way to the cabinets. What a great option. This home has everything you need, all the bells and whistles, and it's very reasonably priced. If you have a place for this, we can sell you the home itself for around $120,000. This farmhouse sink, I love the farmhouse sink. Gooseneck faucet with sprayer. Even if you have a standard sink, I recommend going with a gooseneck faucet with sprayer. Nice window trim again. These are hardwood cabinets, okay? These are all hardwood cabinet doors, boxes. Check this. This is just beautiful. Tell us what you think. All this storage. We have so much storage in this kitchen island. If you have room for a kitchen island, I highly recommend you put a kitchen island in your brand new manufactured home. This is a nice Frigidaire appliance package. We have side-by-side freezer, refrigerator, ice maker, water dispenser, dishwasher. Now, okay, here's a question. Do you prefer stainless steel sinks or the white porcelain or black? What is your favorite? Please tell us in the comment section. We love hearing your thoughts and what you think. Now let's go over here. Here's the utility area. Room for a side-by-side washer and dryer. Well, this is nice. Both these areas right here. This area, I mean, you could even put a little desk right here, make this a workstation. Or you can make that a workstation, put your laundry. You could even, something you could do is you can add a door here so that it's a little bit more private. So the pennant lights, these are very nice pennant lights, black hardware. Beautiful home, very well done. Now let's go take a look in all these rooms. This is a three bedroom home. Right here is the thermostat you can control with your phone. And let's take a sneak peek in here. In these bedrooms, you can easily fit a queen size bed very comfortably. Nightstands, let me stand over here. So you got your queen bed, nightstands, dresser, flat screen TV right here. You could set this room up a few different ways, but that's how I would set it up. You could put your bed in the corner, a desk right here. So there's a lot that you could do with this home. And here, let's go in the closet. This is your standard size, just standard closet size for a home like this or a bedroom this size. About a little more than 10 by 10, probably an 11 by 10. Now let's go in here. In here is the guest bathroom. So your standard guest bathroom. Oh, I love it. They did white cabinets here in the bathroom. Looks very sharp. Here's a white porcelain sink that I was talking about in the kitchen. Your black faucet. This is a really sharp looking bathroom. And check this out. This floor is actually a linoleum. It's a very good quality, high quality, durable lino. You don't have to worry about it slicing. It's a very durable, and you could see that it even has the grain in it, the texture. So here's another look at this sink here. It looks very nice, nice standard guest bathroom or second bathroom. Here is your furnace. Every home needs a furnace, beautiful furnace door. It's a smart comfort made by Carrier, so it's a very good quality furnace. Clayton Paris only uses high quality appliance manufacturers. They partner with some of the best manufacturers. So, you know, now this bedroom is very similar to the first bedroom that we walked. You could set it up the same. So, you know, and then this closet is now we're getting ready to go in the master. I haven't even been in here yet. I like it. I'm surprised. This is much larger than I anticipated. And I want to go in that closet, but I'm backing up here in the bathroom to get you a different look. Large windows. I just love the large windows. We have the blinds to make it darker for those of you who want to be in the dark, sleep in the dark. I like to sleep and wake up in the dark. Look how big this is. Sai, is this one of the bigger homes that we've toured, or one of the bigger bedrooms that we've toured for a master bedroom?
Absolutely. The bathroom is huge too.
The bathroom, well, we'll show them the bathroom here in a minute. This is a nice walk-in closet. You can even add some racks here. So, you know, there's more you can do. You have different options in racks. If you're buying a home for your land or your property, or you're trading in an old manufactured home, we can help you design your brand new manufactured home. We'll even give you if you're following us on our YouTube channel, and you're subscribed, then maybe you'll get our friends and family discount. So if you're looking to buy a new home, give me a call and say, I want your friends and family discount. Wow. Sai wasn't lying. Sai wasn't joking when he said this was a big bathroom. This puts a smile on my face. Check that out. You have the nice bank of drawers. Let's see what's here. Got some cabinet space. You have shelf space down there. So this right here. You can even put shelves right here. You got your toilet. Beautiful shower. Look at this. Check that out. That's a nice looking shower. This is a different glass shower door than you see on a typical manufactured home. It's beautiful. And check this out. This is even beautiful. A nice quartz shower. Beautiful. I love it. They did such a great job with this home. So We appreciate all the love you could give by hitting that like button. If you're new to the Manufactured Housing channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We tour brand new manufactured homes on a weekly basis. See you in our next tour.